Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off new music notifications in Apple Music on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on the Apple Music app. Next, tap on the Listen Now tab at the bottom. Then tap on the profile icon at the top corner here. In the account page setting, go down and tap on notifications. Then tap on new music. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now say that artists you like release new music and videos, so you will get notification for new music of artists that you like. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.